She is the CEO and founder of Major Executive Search. We've got Debbie Douglas. She is a director of talent acquisition at Viacom CBS, and Miriam Bilderlon, who is the global head of diversity and talent at Nielsen IQ. All very well versed in HR issues. I'll start with you, Miriam. To what degree and effect do you think that for women specifically, or for caregivers who are also workers and employees, and really for a long time have had trouble managing their professional and personal lives, what are the benefits that can be derived right now?
Yeah, so I think that there's many benefits. One is the fact that, basically people can be at home, and depending, of course, that's not substitute for childcare, but it's helpful, right? I can speak about my own experience. Bobby, I have a 10-year-old and a 6-year-old, and when they come back from the bus stop on the corner, they walk home. I'm in meetings, but they know I'm here, and if there's an emergency, I will go out, and I get 3 hours or 2 hours of working time. They have the routine to get back and eat something and change. And by the time I'm done, I'm here home with them, and I can help them with homework versus commuting back from an office. So that's just to show you one example of my personal life, but I think that that's a huge benefit and something that we did not have before. Same with getting kids ready for school. I'm never gonna forget when I had my first child 10 years ago, how difficult it was for me to get on time to meetings that started at 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. I was always late. I was always the only one calling in, so people were not mindful to give you a bridge. We used to call them a bridge number in the conference room. Now, these have integrated the ability for people to call into meetings. Everybody can call in from their phone. Technology has become seamless, and that is really helping working parents and caregivers, right? Be there for their loved ones, save some time with commuting, and not feeling like you're the only one who's late, or the only one who needs to leave the office at 4 p.m. because your child's childcare is gonna be closing and your child is gonna be in the office, and you're gonna be paying $20 per minute that you arrive late. So those are real experiences that, when you had kids before this happened, you had to live through. And some companies did a great job at being very flexible way before the pandemic. Some were not there yet. And I can speak about globally. I'm seeing a change. So Nielsen IQ is very global. We're in close to 100 countries. And there were some countries where remote was acceptable, some where it was not part of how people did things. Now everybody has the same opportunity, right? It doesn't matter how progressive your country is. The reality is that you're home. So I think that's really some of the experiences that we're seeing around the globe, and it's helping working parents and caregivers.
It's been an absolute pleasure to hear your insights and pieces of advice for our CircleAround viewers. And again, to the viewers, if you have found this as an insightful conversation as I have, please share on your social media, please send to a friend so that we can keep these conversations going and keep these expertise in flow. It's been a pleasure to be with you. I'm Poppy Mputing. That brings us to the end of this CircleAround panel.
Thank you so much.